Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Fiat 500 door. First, make sure your car is unlocked. You can use your key fob or the mechanical key. Once unlocked, simply grasp the exterior door handle. It's designed for a comfortable grip. Then, pull the handle outwards with a steady motion. This action will release the door latch, allowing you to easily open the door and enter your vehicle. It's a straightforward process for everyday access. Once you are inside your Fiat 500, opening the door is just as simple. Look for the interior door handle, usually found conveniently near the armrest. To open the door, pull this handle firmly towards you. This action disengages the locking mechanism, allowing the door to swing open. Remember, safety is paramount. Always take a moment to check for any oncoming traffic or pedestrians before stepping out of your car. If your key fob battery dies or the central locking system isn't working, you can still access your Fiat 500 manually. Your key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. Simply slide a small latch on the fob and pull out the key. Insert this key into the keyhole, usually found on the driver's door. Turn the key clockwise to manually unlock the door. On some models, the keyhole might be hidden behind a small cap in the handle recess. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to open your Fiat 500 door. If the exterior handle feels loose or doesn't engage, it could be due to a broken hinge or a disconnected rod inside the door. For an interior handle that doesn't work, a broken or detached cable is a common culprit. If the door remains completely unresponsive, a faulty door lock actuator might be the issue. These problems often require inspection by a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.